There are loans available for Ohio residents, regardless of whether they are in the military or not. These loans can be obtained at any time, not just during a service commitment. Interest rates are typically much lower and paperwork is so easy to complete that one may find he or she has little need to attend an Ohio credit counseling course. Online loans and grants, while convenient for some, are not very helpful for a borrower in Ohio. Even if one is very cautious about spending their money, a loan in Ohio will cost one a lot of money, often 5 or more times what it would have cost them to pay cash. Paying for these loans online in Ohio is like getting hit in the face with a rock. For a person in Ohio who would like to purchase a car, an interest-only loan can be beneficial. Interest-only loans allow a person in Ohio to use the car as long as the monthly payments are made on time. However, any interest that the loan has accrued during the time it was unsecured will begin to accrue again if the borrower does not repay the loan by the scheduled date. If the interest rate on the loan is the same as the interest rate on the vehicle, then this type of loan may be suitable. However, if the loan rates differ between the two, the borrower will lose the advantage of this option. Either the interest rate will increase or the interest rate will decrease. Any variation of interest rates between the two types of loans is troublesome. Therefore, one should use caution when purchasing a loan online in Ohio. While one may have no problem with paying off the money in a lump sum, a more prudent option is to refinance the loan in hopes of lowering the interest rate. The best interest rates come from the following types of lenders: banks, credit unions, credit card companies, and non-profit financial institutions. If one is willing to take a second mortgage on their home, then they should consult a real estate agent to determine if the interest rates are right for the family. Many times, interest rates go down on a loan when the borrower moves into a new home. Not every interest rate is the same. It is important that one compares the interest rates of loans online in Ohio with those of loans that have similar types of options but different amounts of interest. A person in Ohio looking for a loan should compare not only the interest rates but also the terms and conditions of the loan, such as payment plans, interest-only periods, and credit. Remember, it's never too late to start looking for loans online in Ohio. If one waits until the last minute, when they are at their wits' end, they could miss a big opportunity. One can use an online grant search service to find grants for free, which will give the applicant a sense of pride, and they can apply to several grants online and receive a greater number of funding sources. One of the worst things one can do in Ohio is to fall behind on their mortgage payments. One of the advantages of obtaining a loan in Ohio is that the interest-only period can be easily extended. However, some of the loans that offer interest-only loans charge much higher interest rates than those with cash or variable interest rates. When you apply for a loan in Ohio, don't hesitate to ask the lender if there are any options that could save the borrower money. A loan in Ohio can help families make ends meet. Not having the loan secured against your home means that a reduction in the value of the property may be required if it needs repairs or home improvements. However, one should not hesitate to inquire about potential savings. There are other lending options, including consolidation loans, home equity loans, and home equity lines of credit. With just a little research, one can locate good deals and negotiate the best terms.